Good fish. Yeah, real nice fish. Oh yeah, big flathead. Alright, let me go around you because I'm going to need to go out that side of the boat. It's going to be a long fight. GoPro? Yeah, it's on. I think it's a red light flashing.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's a good fish, a good flathead. Alright, look at, I'm gonna go up the front here. Where are you going? Why are you doing this? I can't even lift it. It's a big flathead, bro. Keep fishing if you want to. If you want to.
No, I don't want to.
Oh, here he comes. Yeah, he's a big lizard. Holy shit. This could be a near meter fish. This could be a near meter fucking near meter flathead, eh? I'm not kidding. It'll be at least 85, I reckon. He's a fucking big lizard. He weighs so much, Jesus. Oh, nah, he's only about 70 or something. Oh,
Big flatty.
He's growing as he's coming up.
Oh.
He's growing as he's coming up.
Oh.
Oh man, he's big. Oh, he's proper big. He's proper big. Keep your head in the water, cunt, don't you start shaking. He's only going to fit in the right way in this fucking net. Come on. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fucking believe that. Brand new leader. Fuck you. Fuck.
Oh, it's only a little flatty, but it's a fish. Oh, he might be a bit bigger than he looks. Yeah, he is.
Fuck you, dog.
Could be one of those taggable fellas. Yeah, he really could be.
Yeah, bit of weight now.
Yeah. Look. Look at that. He's not coming up.
No, he's not.
Look, that's me giving it to him.
It's got a bit of curry, that hyper stick too, eh?
Yeah, it's only a 1 to 2, but that's why it buckles here, bro. Yeah, it's so, that's why it bends so well. Fuck, he's under me. Come on, come back out here.
No wonder it
Yeah,
didn't fit in the
yeah,
net.
it's due.
Oh yeah, bro.
Bro, give me that net. Sorry, bro.
Oh, I was fully expecting to do that. You only just got him under the gills, bro.
Oh, that was a bad net job, but he's in there. That's a bigger one. No way. That's a solid fucking Tailor, that. On the sugar pen, just got chomped. He's a beast. This won't come up. Oh my god, it weighs a fucking ton. What is this? If this is a Tailor, it's got to be 70 centimeters. Oh, I can't see it. Got a lot of drag on this too. I'm locked up. If you can't tell by the bend in the rod. Just come up, you kind of a thing. What are you? Bro, if this is a Tailor, it is fucking ginormous. Come on. It's just out of sight. Oh, it's a salmon. Get fucked. On a sugar pen. How good. Oh, he didn't like the net at all. Come on, bud. Ah, I missed him again, you dog. Come here. Come on, come on, come on. Good boy. There he is. Fucking oath, that's a Jew. Hee-hee! Well, I've got to chase it. See the back of me spool. He's a meter all day, I reckon. Can't believe he got me down to the back of my spool, this bugger. There he is, little Jew banger. Beautiful fish, really 80. Oh, not even legal. Son of a... Fuck, that wasn't getting out. Jesus. Perfect. Oh, I don't want to drop him early. Lovely little Jew. Ew. You. Beautiful little Lake Macquarie. Thanks, bud. Mad colours on them. There we go. 60. Thanks, bud. Beautiful colours on his shoulders. Oh, thanks, buddy. Ow! A bad little lizard to start the morning. Thanks, bud. Have a nice little snapper. Thanks, buddy. So 60, I'm pretty sure. You. can feel it in his teeth.